I was able to grow my TikTok account by around 10K followers every month using a simple TikTok growth app method, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Let's get started. This is TTBoost, where you can easily earn coins. Just complete simple tasks to build your balance. Then, redeem your coins for real followers. Watch your profile grow.
First, open the Google Play Store. Search for TTBoost. It has almost 2 million downloads and a 4.4-star rating. That means it's a trusted app. Install and launch the app. Once it's open, now log in using your TikTok username. So I copy my TikTok username back to the app and paste here. After signing in, you'll see your dashboard, including your current coin balance, reward options, and different ways to earn more coins. Before redeeming any rewards, you'll need to collect some coins. So I click on the like button, like the video, return to TTBoost, and I get 3 coins. I repeat the same task. Now I click on the follow button. Follow the profile, get back to the app, and I earned 5 coins. As each task is completed, you'll see your coin balance increase. Keep going until you've earned enough coins for the follower package you want. I'll speed this part up so you can see how the balance grows without making you watch every single task. Now that we've collected enough coins, let's redeem them. Open the store section. Here you can see different follower packages. You can buy minimum 200 to 9,000 maximum followers directly if you don't want to collect coins. You can see same for video like packages. Besides, you can redeem your earned coins to get free followers. So I choose the 50 followers package and submit the order. After that, the app will process your request. Now go to the More section. Click on the order, then you can see your order status. I had only 42 followers, and now I have 92, so my order is completed.
Once the order has been processed, refresh your TikTok profile. Compare your follower count with what it was before. This is the moment to see the outcome of the order. And that's the complete TTBoost walkthrough, from earning coins to redeeming rewards. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what app you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching!